Hello everyone, this is Nancy. Today, I'll show you our new full-arch implant photogrammetry workflow. First, software installment. Copy the software out from USB flash disk or download it. If download, remember to extract it before installment. Now the software is installed. Connect the device to your computer, power it on, and then launch the software. Fill the case form. Choose the right workflow that you use. Each set of flags can't be mixed use. Today we will choose Mix Gingiva Align. After completing the form, click on the correct tooth position. Select the corresponding implant information, gingival align method. Final output design data and flag number according to the real situation. Now order is created. Let's enter scan process. It is very easy and fast. Only 10 seconds can get whole arch captured. In some special clinical situations, we may use only a few flags at the beginning and need to add more later during the actual procedure. Sometimes two flags may also be too close to each other. In these cases, we can first scan several flags, then pause the scan, remove one or two flags, add the remaining ones, and continue scanning. Now we come to the last step, gingiva merge, which can transfer the implant position relationship obtained from photogrammetry into the actual gingival system.